civil engineers are the real architects of the modern world.
We, the civil engineers, plan, design, build, maintain, and operate the infrastructural facility.
We, the civil engineers, build for the betterment of human society.
Do you have a vision to create history and to be a part of this thrilling future?
Then you are looking at a right place.
Welcome to Department of Civil Engineering, St. Joseph Engineering College in Mangaluru. Department of Civil Engineering became a part of SDEC family in the year 2012. From the time of their inception, we created several benchmarks and milestones in uplifting the name of our institution, and this is just the beginning. We excel here because of our strengths such as passionate and dedicated faculty members who are experts in different domains of civil engineering. Department has a team of qualified, internationally certified faculty.
High-end, well-equipped laboratories.
Through the Department Association Nirman, we conduct technical sessions, hands-on workshops, and industrial visits to provide the practical experience to improve the skill and to keep the students abreast of latest advancements. For the betterment of Industry Institute interaction, we have signed Memorandum of Understanding with Marian Projects Private Limited, Mangalore, Master Plannery, Nirmiti Kendra, Puttur. Also, we offer consultancy services in and around Mangalore.
The department is frequently organizing talks to the nearby school children to create environmental awareness among them.
As a part of curriculum, every year we conduct extensive survey camp for our students to enhance their practical knowledge in the field of surveying. Students were encouraged to attend training program on skilling engineers for professional success conducted by Konkan Railway Academy.
We are proud to say that our beloved student Mahima S. Rao ranked first in VTU and bagged a record-setting 13 gold medals in VTU.
Miss Ashmita Castellino awarded with Dr. Malati Kesari Gold Medal for lady student who secured highest marks in BE Civil Engineering during the 16th annual convocation held at VTU Belagavi.
Mr. Alan Baptist D'Souza awarded with gold medal instituted by Engineer S.M. Panchagatti for securing highest marks in civil engineering among a son of a teacher of government or aided primary school category during the 16th annual convocation held at VTU Belagavi.
The Department of Civil Engineering have remarkable achievement that one of our student, Miss Megha Rachel, placed in Indian Navy.
The Department of Civil Engineering have received the funding from KCST and VTU for the final year projects.
In the time of crisis of COVID-19, we did not lay back. Our faculty members put forward their best efforts in reaching our students through online.
We have conducted online classes using various online platforms to reach our students. And we have also conducted webinars on various civil engineering topics to enhance the skill and knowledge apart from curriculum.
So students, experience the epitome of excellence. Join the Department of Civil Engineering and build your dream with us.